Want to know how to link your account to Facebook in Game of Thrones Kingsroad? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and under a minute, so let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, simply open up your Game of Thrones game. So once you have done that, you should be on this interface right here. So once you're on this interface, on the bottom right side, you should be seeing account linking. So you can just simply select it first. So once you have selected account syncing, your netmarble ID should open up and it should show something like this. So you can see login method. So you can just simply select any one of these four. So this only works if you are on your guest account, by the way. So just simply select any one of these. So since we're going for Facebook, just simply select Facebook right here. And what you can do is you can just simply select any account that you are trying to log in with through Facebook, and you need to agree to some terms. So once you have agreed and then select it continued, you should be good to go and you should be easily logged in to Game of Thrones Kingsroad. And that's it, super simple and easy. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.